externship is an unpaid position that you take usually when you're in school. For example, I did mine for my clinical internship. A clerkship is a full-time, usually postgraduate, post-bar position where you are basically like the judge's assistant, assisting the judge in research, writing, as well as administrative duties. A typical day as an extern would mean meeting with the law clerks to get an assignment or to review an assignment that you had. It would also include possibly observing court proceedings, either in your judge's courtroom or another judge's, and then also talking with the judge about what you watched, any questions you have, things like that. I wanted to pursue a clerkship because from what I had heard it was a good opportunity to gain research and writing skills, and also the observation aspect, getting to see how a court operates from the backside as opposed to being sort of in front of the court. Well, I initially submitted my information online, and then I got an email for an interview, and basically I just met with the judge and talked about my experience so far and what I hope to get out of an externship. Judicial clerkships are very competitive, and it's sort of a long application process. Usually the hiring takes place a year or so before the clerkship begins. I think if you're interested in a clerkship, a student should start applying about a year, even maybe a year and a half before their desired clerkship date. So if you wanted to start after graduation, I would say early 2L, because again, most judges hire well in advance of when the time period that they need a clerk for. So what I learned from my externship, or what I gained from it, would be better writing skills, better researching skills. I was able to work closely with the clerks and the judge on my writing ability and experience. And then as far as my externship, I feel like that sort of led directly to my ability to obtain a judicial clerkship, because I had some experience with the same skills that would be needed for a clerkship.